Hi, my name is Mr. Chon. Welcome to my study room. Assuming you want to make a number of calculations with your calculator, but you don't want to do one, write it down before doing the other. How do you do that with the Casio fx-991 ES Plus? That is the objective for today's study. If you want to do multiple calculations on your calculator where you don't have to record each of them at a time, but you want to do all at the same time and record your answers, this is how you go about it. You first turn on the calculator, then you enter your first calculation. Let's say 450 divided by 15, and then you want to do another one, 25 times 3. This is what you do. After entering your first calculation, you press alpha and then the key right under the alpha, the integral key there. You see that the writing in the red is colon, so you press that and the colon will appear. That means you have separated the first calculation. So let's say 20 times 3, so 20 times 3. Then you want to do another calculation. Let's say 100 divided by 4. So you do the same thing again. Alpha, the key under it, integral key, then 100 divided by 4. Then when you press equal to, that will give you the answer for the first calculation. 450 divided by 15, which is 30. You press equal to again, it will give you the answer for the second one, which is 20 times 3, and that is 60. And then you press equal to again, 100 divided by 4, which gives you 25. And you can use this for any other multiple calculation you want to do. You just enter the first one, colon, the second one, colon, and to wherever you want to end. After that, you press equal to for the calculator to display the answers for each calculation. So this is how we use Casio fx-991 ES Plus to do multiple calculations. I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, then kindly consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for your time with me, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.